fidget trading with my cousin, but I need to my little cousin, the one who broke my needle, to take his fidget. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! This is the puppy! Go off, puppy!
It has the octopus puppet. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I saw him back at the trading place. Said he saw that. Well, yeah. My cousin's dog had the weird type of like octopus, and we were like chasing him. Like, it was so hard to get. I finally grabbed him from his collar, and yeah. Let me tell my cousin to come to keep with the video. Guys, we're back. We've had the mini puppet again. I'm sick of this dog. Like, it's cute and everything.
But didn't you tell me earlier that the dog?
Okay, nothing. He's just telling my. Why didn't you tell me that the dog was? I don't know. Why didn't you come, cousin? Apparently, my cousin's dog just broke this thing. I don't know what it's called.